And this is really good, brightening up your eyes and or tap to your eye. Face serum, it brightens your face. Happy new month. How are you? So for me doing my skincare, I did my facial steaming, did my AM skincare, and then I'm gonna do my nails, log in for work, run some errands, and then come back, probably go for a walk. Maybe I'll go for a walk, and while I'm doing my nails, just watch YouTube or maybe a reality show like Real Housewives. So I will talk to you later. Let's go and get ready for work. I'm gonna run some errands. Okay, let me close my window because they're doing something in the background. I'll be right back. Run to Lidl's, Aldi's. I feel like that's it. But before I go to Aldi's, I am gonna have breakfast so I'm not like hungry and famished and start picking things, you know, before anything. And then and then log in for work, do some little catch up, and then head back out. So let's go make breakfast. All right, so I am back. I will show you what I got from Needles and also from Aldi's. But before I like log into work, I'm gonna go for a quick walk and probably just take like fruit, like maybe a banana. I was looking at my table for the banana and just snack on that. Have a little quick walk, like 15-20 minutes walk, just to just have my mind ready for work. I might not snack on any like other stuff. I think just fruits. Maybe, yeah, just a banana. Oh, there's this rice cake thing that I also got from Lidl. So maybe that's what I'll probably snack on. Just those two. So let me break it actually. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna snack on is banana. And then I also been seeing this on some girls TikTok and YouTube page and Instagram. It's like it's a rice cake, but you can also put things on here. Like on the back, it tells you like what to put: yogurt, dry cranberries, and pecans. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take one, have a banana, and just go for a little walk and come right back. That's like a little quick snack, right? And then log in for work. The rice cakes, they're actually good. The one I got is apple cinnamon. Really, really delicious. Like I'm obsessed. Like really good. And I think I'm gonna try out next time with the ingredient that's on here, which is yogurt, dried cranberries and pecans, but I can't eat pecans, so I'll do cashews. But I did like it with the banana. So I finished watching New York, Salt Lake, and I think Orange County. So good. Like, what are you guys thinking about the season? Like, is it spicy? Is it juicy? You know, I love reality shows. So yeah, just wanted to come on here and give you the update on the rice cake. It is so good. So we'll talk later. All right, so I am on my break from work, I was thinking about having lunch, but I'm so full because you know too full, and also the little banana and the banana and the rice cake that also kept me full. So I think I'll probably just have dinner, have that like around 5:30, and then go for another walk as well. And I think that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for lunch. I'm really just not, it's not like I'm skipping lunch, it's just that I'm full because I had that really nice healthy meal for breakfast. So I just feel like I'm okay with that for now. But I am gonna drink my glass of water. So I'm drinking, I think, 32 ounce of water. So I am drinking that. It's a Starbucks cup. It's this big. Drink water and keep it moving. So probably just go on, probably watch like Peacock or something. Probably that's what I would do for my break. And then, oh, sorry, that was my elbow. And then after that, I think that should be it. And logging back into my work, and then we'll chat later.
Will it? Yeah, if there's anything else we to film, please, please, please just leave me in that you want to see because I really want to take a minute. But I
Finished doing my nails. You know what? This is what I like to do, right? When I'm doing my nails, I like to just put on YouTube and just like sail away into a good YouTube vlog. And my favorite is always Natasha. I don't know why I keep calling her Natasha. I think there's someone else. That's Natalie Stringfield. I am obsessed with her. Please forgive me for saying Natasha. I think because of the N, but it's Natalie Stringfield, and I just like her. I just love her channel. So yeah, I just like to watch that while I'm like doing my nails, my toes, and I'm done with it. It's so cute. So I don't like long nails, so the original length was a little bit longer. So what I just did was take, you know, nail cutter and clipped it. So now I want to just do my cuticle oral, right? Because you want to have a good cuticle oral, good cuticle oral nail, good oral cuticle. So just dab it on there, and then once you're done, rub it together. You know, just be careful. I was looking for my Cartier ring for like 3 days. Thank God I found it. It was in my ring box, but I couldn't find, I mean my jewelry box. I couldn't find it. I was like asking my daughter, like, you know where I put it? And she was like, Mommy, I don't know. Double check, and I did, and I saw it this morning. So yeah, and I like the Cartier bracelets. This is all a dupe. I think this was like $40, and I think this was like $18, and I just love it. If you can see it there, it's a gorgeous ring. I usually put it here or here, but this is where I usually put it in my ring finger. And I just have on a sweat jumper or sweater because I'm in my car, so I might put on a wool jacket, but most likely I would not. But before I leave, so I know you guys are probably new to this body butter, or you knew about it. Please comment down below what is the right pronunciation for this body butter. Is it Circa or Soraya? Because now it's C-I-R-O-A. When I first bought the other bottle, it was a C, but it looked like an O. I don't know, it's becoming very funny. But if you know the right pronunciation, please comment down below and let me know. But I am obsessed with it. I did speak about it in my September purchase as favorite, but I didn't get into it because it was the other bottle was still being used, and this is what I've been using. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It smells divine, and you can see it's like luscious. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am obsessed. And then All right, so I have been working all day, ran some errands, it's dinner time, and I need to relax. Probably watch a movie with my daughter. What we're gonna have for dinner, I'm gonna make like this Korean dish. I saw it with this channel that I watch, Aaron and Claire. It's noodles with like is it bulgogi? Bulgogi beef with like boiled egg, but I'm not gonna use noodles. I'm gonna use spaghetti because I like spaghetti more than noodles, and I'm not gonna make it cold and then top it off with like green onions. And then me and my daughter, we're just gonna have that and then just chill out, watch a good movie. And I'll be back when I'm doing my night skincare. All right, we'll talk later. I just finished my skincare as well, and I'm gonna drink my chamomile tea. Currently 10:30. I made my chamomile tea. Am I the only one that likes like creamer in their tea? Like I need my tea to be like very cozy. It's so good. Yeah, so I hope you liked today's vlog and what I eat in a day and how I spend my daily routine. Comment down below like what is your go-to meal and what is your daily routine as well. All right, I will see you in the next one.